Beckett Anthony. Great-Tia Paula here. And today's story is Thanksgiving Cats. We just finished having Halloween and now it is time to think about Thanksgiving. It's November 3rd today, which is a Monday, 2014. This book was given to your cousins, Joaquin and Emily, for Thanksgiving in 1999. So here we go. It's a very short book. Thanksgiving Cats. I got to think of a new way to turn these pages because they get stuck. Alrighty. Well, there's a picture. There's a picture. Okay. Farmer cats grow wheat, potatoes, corn, and peas. Farmer cats grow pumpkins. I love pumpkins. I love the color. I love the taste. And leafy apple trees. I think you went to the apple farm, didn't you? I think so. That's a fun place. Farmer cats raise cows. That cow doesn't look very happy about those cats being around it. They raise cows for butter, milk, and cheese. Looks like that mouse is liking that cheese. Farmer kittens chasing noisy birds and bees. They're having a good old time. Kitchen cats make bread. Okay, I've never seen a cat make bread before, but we'll use our imagination. That bread looks good too. Kitchen cats shell peas. They shuck the corn and peel. They're getting all that stuff that's kind of hairy on the outside of the corn, taking that off. And slice the cheddar cheese. Kitchen cats sell apple pies. And pumpkin pies galore. See that mouse? He's always around, just waiting for some kind of food to drop. Kitchen kittens catching coins falling to the floor. I wonder where those coins are coming from. Thanksgiving cats say thank you. Thanksgiving cats say please. Thanksgiving cats at last can rest. They did all that work and now they're tired. And they're going to rest beneath the apple trees. Nice and shady. Another piece of pumpkin pie. I don't think that cat wants anymore. Look at how his tummy is so full. And apple pie with cheese. You know, I've never had apple pie with cheese. I don't know that I would like it, but I like apple pie with caramel. Great-Tia Paula loves caramel. Loves it. Thanksgiving kittens so full. They're sleeping now with ease. And they all say, Happy Thanksgiving! They're all with their friends and family, just like we'll be. I can't wait to see you. I hope it's before that, because that's still like over 3 weeks away. I can't wait that long to see you. But but I love you anyway. I'm giving you XOXO hugs and kisses from Great-Tia Paula to Beckett. Love you.